Today it's the 19th of September 2022. We have it's Puistokaari, Paksvängen 13 Stekisby. It's here in Lauttasaari, Tromsø, and close to Koivusaari Björkholmen metro station and Kotiahari Venosen, built in 1956, turning 65 years old this year, 2022. Yeah, I mean last year. 2021 December SH6835. It's here in Helsinki, has Finland 25 floors, so you can watch the stake say right. It's a floor indicator. It's very rare, but it's enough to do one of them here. It will be inspected in the next year, 2023, and it deserves 3 rides. Amazing. This one has interesting sounds.
Yeah. Inspektiippaa kiva äsken, että meillä teet by Kone.
It's probably from late 1956.
Yeah.
Very interesting sounds.
Yeah.
That's it. Thank you very much for watching. Let's go to the steps.